There's a cardinal in the chicken coop that is stuck. Hey there, little cardinal. How'd you get in here? Ah! What? Hold on. It tried to attack me. Wait. Oh my God, there's like another one. Another something. It's in here. Another kind of animal. Ah! I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's another kind of bird. I can't tell. Oh my God, it's so scary. I'm trying to see what it is. What are you? Maybe, I think it's a chicken. What are you? See? Not lying.